Who said that? Which one of you dares to question my evil ways?
Elmo said it.
Oh, hey, boss! He's the one who said it. I heard him. It's the cute little red guy. He's the one questioning your evil ways.
I know that bug.
It's not nice to take things that don't belong to you.
He also says it is not nice to take things that do not belong to me. Isn't that just precious?
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure out something. It all belongs to me. If I touch it, I own it. Bug! You see this tennis racket? I own it. This hammer? I own it. This velvet painting of Elvis. I didn't really want it, but I own it. And this.
Almost blanket!
You're wrong. You see, I didn't borrow this blanket. I didn't rent this blanket. Heck, I didn't even take out a 36-month lease on this blanket. Oh. Bing! I own it.
I think it's made of all natural fibers, maybe 100% cotton. Very lovely.
Look, you really know how to ruin a villainous moment, don't you?
Now get in the cartoonishly evil vehicle and drive.
Sir, yes, sir.
No, wait! Blanket! Blanket!
You know, I would really love to stay and chat, but I have to get home to take a nap with my brand new whoopee. Say bye-bye, whoopee. Bye-bye.
It's a blanket!
Whoopee!
Blanket!
Whoopee!
Blanket!
Whoopee!
Blanket!
Mine!
What's the matter, Bert? Oh, Ernie, did you see what Huxley did?
Yeah.
He took Elmo's blanket. Oh, I can't look.
But don't worry, Bert. It'll be okay, right, everybody? Because we know Elmo won't give up until he gets his blanket back. Roll film. Let's watch, Bert.
Oh, okay, Ernie, but I can't see anything.
Bert, you still have your hands over your eyes, Bert.
Oh, I knew that.
Sure you did, Bert. Come on.
Someone help Elmo, please! Excuse Elmo, can you... Oh, sir, can you please help Elmo get his blanket back?
I'd love to, but I don't speak English.
What the... Someone please help Elmo! Excuse Elmo! That mean old Huxley took Elmo's blanket!
That makes me feel so bad inside. Oh, wait, I think that's just gas.
No, please! Now what is Elmo gonna do? Hey! You're the girl with the dog! Shh! Name's Grizzy. Well, how come all the Grouches just let that mean old Huxley guy take everything?
Well, because the only way to stop Huxley is all the Grouches would have to work together and...
Grouches hate that. But Elmo has to get his blanket back!
Okay. Look, maybe I can help you. Now follow me.
Okay.
Sorry, Cookie, sorry.
Oh, me having a bad cookie day. Oh, me head. Oh.
Hey! Everyone! Hey! What's going on?
Oscar said that Elmo is gone. He probably went down into Oscar's can for his blanket, but instead of getting the blanket, he got sucked away into some far-off and grouchy place.
Oh, no.
And he's never gonna...
Telly, easy, Telly. Oscar probably just meant that Elmo went home, that's all.
Yeah.
No, actually, the worrywart's right.
Whoa, say what?
Yep, Elmo got sucked down through a door in my can to Grouchland, USA.
Grouchland, USA?
Oh, no! This is terrible! What are we gonna do? What are we going to do?
Here's what we're gonna do, Telly. We're gonna go down to Grouchland, whatever that is, and get Elmo back.
Well, all right, but be careful. I just had the rugs dirty.
Checking around the corner. Oh, joy. Fruity goodness.
Come on, come on. Elmo. Oh. Come on, hustle, hustle. Are we there yet?
Almost. Hold your horses, kid. Gee.
Well, Elmo, there it is. Greedy Huxley's house on the top of Mount Pickenose. That's where your blanket is. All the way over there. Far, far away.
Well, Elmo has to get it back by tonight.
Ooh, maybe you're not hearing me. It's far, far away.
Oh, well, that's okay, Grizzy. Elmo's done harder stuff than this before.
Like what?
Elmo learned to tie his own shoes.
What are you, crazy?
Huh?
If you go there, you might never make it back home again. Oh, well, I think I've helped enough. Good luck to you, kid.
Well, Elmo's gonna make it. You'll see. Elmo's gonna get to that Huxley's house and get his blanket back. Oh, is Elmo kidding? Grizzy is right. Elmo will never get there.
I'm stuck. We're stuck.
Okay, here we go, Telly. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4.